Hello beautiful people from YouTube, my name is Monique and welcome back to my channel. Now, the second to the last video that I made was a puppy haul. But I finally got my brand new puppy. She is a Yorkie and her name is Calissa. That's her name. My little Calissa, she is a Yorkie, and she is a big baby right now. Hold on. Yeah. And, yeah. So, she is a Yorkie, and I got her last month. So, I bought more things. Now, the last video that I did, I didn't have no toys. Well, I bought toys. I bought a lot of things. So, the first toy that I got was the zebra, which she loved. I bought a fox and whatever that is, I don't know what it is. A rope, a bone, and an ice cream cone. And of course, all of the toys are on the budget where I show you the last time. Now, our outfits, I did buy more outfits. Now, the one that I show you, the Paris, and I bought her two. Well, my mom bought one and I bought one. I bought Mommy Little Pumpkin for Halloween, and my mom got me this. It's a boo with a little bow. And, hold on. And I bought little bows. I got these at Walmart, the little kids, for the kids, and I really like them. And I bought the coconut ripeys, the big pack. And I got one more thing, which she in it right now, so I didn't pick it up while she in it. Okay, don't laugh. And I had to get it because I bought hold on. I bought a crib. Did it from Walmart for the toys. Did it for the dolls. And I had it to get it. I was laughing and laughing when I saw it. So I bought it. And she loved it. Did it only for naps. I did buy a candle. Her cage is pink. It got her name right on top. It's too heavy for me to carry. And yeah, so let me get it out one more time. And come here. Not one more time, but let me get it out. So this is my child, my baby. So seriously, yeah, she is a big baby. And the other day, last night, I carried my dog, well, my mom's dog, and she got mad. She went crazy. So I had to put my dog down, my mom's dog down, and I had it together because she is so jealous for other dogs. But I love her. And they get along also. In the beginning, they didn't get along. But they're getting along now. Hold on, let me put it back. Yeah, so that my baby. that is Calissa. So, the next thing that I want to talk about very, very quick is the book that I read, Beautiful Stranger by Christina Lauren. That will be my next book review. And, yeah. And this didn't be posted on Tuesday. No, Monday, sorry. I didn't post it up on Monday. So, yeah. So this is my new puppy and a little haul at the same time. So this is the new puppy sauce haul, puppy haul. So, yeah. And later on, you will be seeing Calista more and more on my videos. Not all the time, but only when she wants to. Right now, she's a little bit sleepy. Probably when she's fully awake. Let me get it one more time so you could see her. Oh. Yeah. So, this is Calista, my baby. Want to say bye? Oh, and I do post pictures on Instagram if you want to see her a little bit more on Instagram. I put my link below and my Goodreads below. If you want to follow me on any of those. And yeah, so I will make a video very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.